What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to set or change availability in Fiverr profile, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to set or change availability in Fiverr. So to set your availability, you need to go to My Profile, which is when you click on your icon, go to Profile. So you can also access your profile through the homepage by clicking on your profile and selecting Profile as I showed you. So on your profile page below your personal info, click Set Availability button to set your availability. Once you click the Set Availability button, the Set Your Availability pops up, opens, where you can provide additional details. Then you need to select a started date. This can be today's date or the future date, and select an end date. So this is an optional but recommended to leave a message to existing and potential buyers. You can either use the default message or customize it to your liking. This message will be displayed on your profile page, inbox and gig pages. When you are unavailable, you can opt to receive messages from new buyers to ensure that you don't miss any existing collaborations. If you want to allow new buyers to contact you while unavailable, switch on the enable new buyers on Fiverr to contact me toggle now, and just basically click save. So you can also edit it. So basically, to edit your availability settings or just adjust your return date, you basically the buyers will not be able to place a new order, and so on and so forth. The availability date will be displayed on your seller's page. So unfortunately, I'm not a seller and I cannot do this currently. So overall, you just go on your profile picture, go to profile, and just find the availability option and just press on it, set availability, and enter the date. And basically that's the entirety of the process. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.